Thanks for checking out my 10 steps to getting started in Photoshop. Maybe you've never used Photoshop at all and you're curious to see what it's about. Perhaps you've tried using Photoshop but haven't gotten very far because it can be a little complex and confusing when just getting started. Or maybe you're a Lightroom user who would like to access some of the more advanced image developing techniques that are possible in Photoshop, but not Lightroom. If any of those apply to you, then this course should be helpful. In these 10 quick lessons, I'll show you how to accomplish some basic procedures that photographers would want to be able to do, such as how to open an image, how to find your way around, how to make some basic image improvements, how to save an image, and how to prep an image for the web or for print. Once you've completed this course, you should have a much better idea if Photoshop is the right tool for what you want to accomplish with your photography. If it is, then you'll also have a good foundation of knowledge and skills to be able to continue experimenting with Photoshop on your own and also move on to more in-depth Photoshop tutorials. So let's head on to the next video for step 1 to getting started with Photoshop.